Welcome to the tutorial on Pathful's My Data tool. You will learn how to access high-level overview data, generate new reports, and access saved reports. The Overview section provides high-level insights into user activity, giving you a snapshot of engagement and progress on the platform. To access your Pathful reports, navigate to My Data. First, we'll take a look at the Overview report. By default, the data reflects activity from the last 30 days. Click on This Year to choose a predefined date range or enter a custom range for the data you wish to analyze. You may also want to choose between viewing data for all users or focusing on specific groups you've created. Hover over the bar graph under Activity by Career Cluster to see the number of videos watched and profiles viewed for each cluster. The insights available are Career Exploration Video Views, track how many career videos have been watched, Flex Lessons completed, see progress on assigned lessons, hours on Pathful, monitor total time spent on the platform, Activity by Career Cluster, analyze user interest by cluster, user activity, observe overall platform usage trends, and activity by class, break down activity based on class groups. By leveraging these insights, you can effectively track engagement and identify trends to better support your students. For more detailed insights, select Reports. Here, you'll have access to the following types of reports: usage reports, flex lessons and assignment reports, activity reports, student artifacts, status reports. Hover over the information icon to learn more about each specific type of report. Let's run a report. Start by selecting the type of report you want to run. For this example, let's choose an activity report. Use filters to ensure you capture all necessary data, such as date parameters, license, and user type, to refine your report. To see results immediately, click Show Results. To adjust or customize data, use sorting filters to organize the data. Adjust the columns filter to add or remove specific data points. Some reports include a download button, allowing you to save individual student data. Click Export Results to generate a spreadsheet with all available data. Next, let's create a custom and reusable report. If you need to run this report frequently, save time by creating a custom report. Navigate to My Reports to store and easily access saved reports. To save a report for future use, select Reports and choose the report type. Apply the necessary filters for your data needs. Click Save Report to store your selected filters, and a reminder will appear confirming that your filters will be saved. Name the report and save it for easy access later. To access and manage saved reports, go to My Reports to find your previously saved reports. Use the search bar to locate a specific report. Filter by report type or use the Sort By drop-down to refine your search. Click Go to Report to access your saved data. From here, you can keep the saved filters for quick access, click Show Results to view data immediately, or select Export Results if you need a spreadsheet version. Visit the Help Center for additional articles and resources to learn more about Pathful and how to utilize My Data to achieve your desired results. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Pathful's My Data tool. We hope it has made running reports easy for you.